Okay, I do believe we have some substantial progress. Today is November 17th right here. And I started this test back in July 13th. And then every 6 weeks, I ran the same test to see what the results would be. Remember, I have this Ornell report that's 213 pages, and there's a subset. There's like 41 pages that I want to have Grok review. And I thought, well, let's see if it can just review one page. And the test was go into the complete document, go to page 71, and copy it verbatim back to me. Well, this is what we got July 13th, August 24th, and October. There's not much difference. Everything's kind of messy. It sort of does it, but there's all kinds of missing things, and the format is lousy. There really wasn't much difference between August and October. So if you did cut and paste it over to a document, you'd have to do a lot of cleanup. It's very difficult to review. Then yesterday, November 16th, I ran the test again, which was 6 weeks later from my previous test, and it just gave me this, which was correct, but none of the other page existed. So I said, that is not all of page 71. Can you extract and post everything? And it just gave me this. And then someone suggested I just keep at it. And what I did was I modified the test a little bit where I loaded a PDF that just had page 71 in it. It did not have the 213 pages. Then I had to go find that page. It just had page 71. So I deviated a little bit, but this is what it spit out to me right here. Now look at the formatting here and the formatting of the original scanned document. This is the original PDF. So I went through it, and the only errors I could find were really not that important. There's a number 1 here. I'm wondering if it's reading this little smudge there as a 1 or something like that. But everything is there, and it's formatted nice. The only thing it didn't do is it didn't underline these titles here, which is a-okay with me. But it got all of this lettering correct, this lettering down here correct. Okay, so it got all that correct. Then to just double check, I cut and pasted it into Google Docs. And I picked a font that clearly shows if something is a 0 or an O. So I went through, I didn't see anything get translated as the letter O instead of a 0. And also I can tell that this is indeed an L, L, L. Pay attention to that. Down here, L, right there, 0, 0. Okay, I went through and I checked everything, and it came in clean, except for this number 1 and not having certain things underlined. Now let's compare that with previous attempts. This is completely missing, or it's thrown somewhere else. When you come down here, that is not an L, OCR'd into the $sign. So there was a lot of mess in reading and printing it out again. This is an improvement. I'm very happy with this. So there you have it. Still not there yet. I still can't ask it to go into the entire PDF and get a particular page. I'm sure that'll get fixed, but just this page 71, it nailed it. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to page 72.